Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Birds HARRINGHATTA, bird found at HARRINGHATTA. My name is Hatitan Kamaradu. This bird is called Myna. Do you know why it is called Myna? Pine means two, and can you tell me what are the two colors? Yes, white and black. This is another picture of the Myna. Do you know what this bird is called? Yes, JACOBIN cuckoo. This is also called mystery bird. This is in the recent movie 2.0. This bird is featured. This is another bird. This is a bird. This is a beautiful bird. This bird is called FLAMEBACK woodpecker. Why it is called FLAMEBACK woodpecker is its back is yellow. Do you know what this bird is? Yes, a beautiful bird. Can you tell me what are the colors? Yes, blue and red and green. And its neck is blue. And the eyes inside black, outside brown. Do you know what this bird is? Yes, blue-throated barbet. Do you know what this bird is called? Yes, cosmic barbet. This is a snake. Don't be scared. This snake is called rattlesnake, but rat snake. But it is a harmless snake unless we hit the snake. Do you know what this animal is? Yes, baby mongoose. All the photos are near our home. Bye everyone.